Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to delete custom object in Salesforce. So we will start off this video by discussing how to delete custom object in Salesforce Lightning. So let's understand the deletion process of custom object in Salesforce. Deleting a custom object in Salesforce means permanently removing the custom object and all its associated data and metadata from your Salesforce organization. This includes all records stored in the custom object as well as any fields, page layouts, relationships, workflows, triggers, and other configuration specific to that object. The deletion process is irreversible and requires appropriate administrative permissions. So let me show you how to delete custom objects in Salesforce Lightning. So here I open my Salesforce account and by default it is open in the Lightning experience. So click on the gear icon. This is my gear icon. Click on that and under this gear icon we can see there is a setup option present. Click on this setup option. Our setup page is open and under this page we can see there is an object manager tab present on the navbar. So we click on this object manager tab. Our object manager page is open and under this page we can see loads of standard and custom objects are present and here we want to select the test object. So we enter the test in the quick find box and select the test object and here we can see our test object which is a custom object present under this object manager. So here we want to delete this test object and there are two methods for deleting the object. So simply click on this drop down arrow. The drop down list is open and under this list two options are present. First one is edit and the another one is delete. So you can simply click on this delete option and your object is deleted successfully. The other method is simply click on this test object. Our test page is open and there is a detail on the right side and under this detail section we can see at the top of the right corner there is a edit and delete option present. You can click on the edit button to edit this object or you can click on the delete button from which you can delete this object. So here we delete this object. So we click on the delete button and the window is pop up. Deleting a custom object does the following. Deletes all the data that currently exists in all the records of the custom object. Deletes all tracked history data associated with the custom object. Deletes the custom tab and list view for the object. Deletes workflow rule and the action that use the object. Deletes all related mapping to the entity interfaces and the corresponding fields. Hide the custom object definition and all related definitions. Hide the object's data reports and all related data reports. Disable report type for which this is the main object. Disable custom reports for which this is the main object and deactivate custom formula field on the object, deactivate custom validation rule and approval process of the object. Read all these steps carefully and after reading all these steps, if you want to delete this object, so you simply click on this delete and after you deleting this custom object, it appear in the deleted object list for 15 days. During that time, you can either undelete it to restore it and all the data stored in it or delete it permanently. When you undelete a custom object, some of its property might be lost or changed. After 15 days, the object and its data are permanently deleted. So carefully delete the object. Here we want to delete this test object, so we click on this delete button and here we come back to our object manager page and now we check that our test object is successfully deleted or not. So we again enter the test in the search box and here we go, we can see no test object is present under this object manager page. So with this we have learned how to delete custom object in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.